Welcome! Today we explore one of the most useful features in modern air conditioners, sleep mode. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what sleep mode is, how it works, and why it is beneficial for your health, comfort, and electricity bill. Let's begin. Sleep mode is a built-in function that automatically adjusts the temperature and fan speed while you sleep. It slowly raises the room temperature over time, keeps the operation quiet, and ultimately saves energy throughout the night. As you fall asleep, your body temperature naturally drops, reaching its lowest point in deep sleep around midnight. It then gradually rises before you wake up. Sleep mode is designed to mirror this natural cycle, preventing overcooling and keeping you comfortable. To activate it, simply press the sleep button on your remote. The AC then slowly raises the temperature every 30 to 60 minutes and reduces the fan speed for quiet operation. Finally, a built-in timer automatically turns off the AC after about 7 to 8 hours. This graph illustrates the science behind sleep mode. Notice how the room temperature, the blue line, slowly rises. It closely follows the natural pattern of your body temperature, the yellow line, providing aligned comfort all night long. Sleep mode offers key benefits: better sleep quality, significant energy savings up to 40%, and quiet operation. It also prevents overcooling, includes an automatic switch-off feature, and is eco-friendly due to reduced energy use. When we compare sleep mode to normal mode, the choice is clear. Sleep mode automatically adjusts temperature, decreases fan speed, saves energy, and prevents discomfort. Normal mode keeps settings fixed, resulting in higher energy consumption and potential overcooling. Activating sleep mode is easy. First, turn on the AC and set your comfort temperature. Then, press the sleep button, usually marked with a moon icon. Confirm the symbol appears on the display. Now, you can sleep comfortably as the AC manages the temperature. The monetary savings are significant. A typical AC uses 180 kilowatt hours per month in normal mode, but only 108 in sleep mode. This 40% reduction saves you over 500 rupees, or the equivalent, per month, proving sleep mode is highly economical. In summary, sleep mode provides automatic, quiet, energy-saving comfort that follows your body's natural cycle. Remember to press the sleep or moon button tonight. Your body and your electricity bill will thank you.